In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add text effect, animation, bubble, text style, and change the text font, text color, etc. So let's get into the tutorial. Before starting my video, I request you, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe. You can add a video or you can add a image. I added a static image and now I will add a text. So go to the text, simply just click add text. Now you can make it longer or you can make it smaller, and also move it where you want to set this text. You want to set end of the video or image, you want to add at the middle point or at the beginning. Also you can make it longer. From the right side you can see there are many options, so I will show you one by one. First we will change the text. Under the basic, in this box section you can change the text and you can change the font. In this font section you can see there are lots of fonts here, so you can select any of them. I will select this font. Also you can increase the font size or decrease the font size and make it bold or italic. Also you can make it uppercase or lowercase or title case. Now you can change the font color from here, or we can simply select the color. Also you can change the font style from here. Just select the font style. Also we can move it from anywhere, at the top, bottom, top left. Here you can see the stroke. If I uncheck the stroke, you can see. Also you can increase the thickness or decrease. Here you can see. You can add background. It could be black, red, yellow, whatever you want. I unchecked the background. Also you can use glow and you can increase the intensity. If I uncheck the stroke, you can see the better. Okay, also you can check the shadow. And also you can select the curve. You can increase the strength of this curve like this. I'm not using curve. Okay. Also you can use the bubble. There are many bubbles. Suppose I use this. So I'm not using bubble. Here you can see there are many effects in section, so you can use any one of them. So I just simply use this effect or this effect. Animation. From here you can use animation. You can use fade in, you can use zoom in or zoom out. Also you can set the duration from here. If I increase the duration, you can see there are three options: in, out, and loop. In means starting point, out means ending point. Loop means this animation will continue. So I use this. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.